Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you best copyright-free music app for YouTube. Sometimes we use music for YouTube channel, but we get copyright claim or strike. So right now I'm going to show you an application. If you use this music or any kind of music from this application, you won't get any kind of copyright claim or strike. So if you want to get this application, first of all you have to go Play Store. So I'm going to go Play Store. Then at the top of the side you can find here search bar. So search here copyright free music. Then 3 number you can find here NCS music. So just click on it. NCS music or copyright free music downloader. So just click for installing. Right now it's installing. Just wait a second. Okay guys, after installing this application, just click for open. Right now it's opening. Then you can find here a number of songs. So just select whatever you like, or you can listen any kind of song from here. So guys, if you just like this song, so just select on it. Then if you want to listen or if you want to hear this song, so just click on play button. It's okay. Right now it's playing. Then if you want to download it, at the right side you can find here download sign. So just click for download. So if you click on here, you can find here, then you can find here download the track. So if you click here, you can download this music. So thank you so much for watching my video.